Sarma. Stuffed cabbage leaves. A main dish from Bosnia and Herzegovina. You will
Serves
need 8
4.
ingredients. Step 1. Boil cabbage leaves until they're softer and then drain them. Step 2. Mix together minced meat, onions, rice, and seasonings. Step 3. Fill the cabbage leaves with the mixture and create little cylindrical parcels. Pack them tightly in layers into the dish and submerge in beef stock. Step 4. Cook for a few hours. Step 5. When cooked, melt a lump of butter into the frying pan and add paprika. Fry for a few minutes and then pour carefully over the cooked sarmas. Step 6. Serve with cream and boiled potatoes. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.